Place the heat reflector on your heater before adding the stones. Start by peeling off the protective film from the heat reflector. Place the upper hooks on the second rib from the top of the heater. Attach the lower hooks to the closest rib below. That's it. If you're adding a second heat reflector, don't worry, it's just as simple. Remove the protective film from the second heat reflector. Position it on the heater just like the first one. Use the included bolt and nut to secure two reflectors together. Install both reflectors at the top as shown. Gently place the heater on the floor and put something under it to avoid scratching. Now, connect the two reflectors from the bottom. Lift the heater back onto its legs and you're all set. Enjoy your sauna time.